folks. This is Todd Cayley, and I'm from Kirsh Helmets, and we are at Keystone Harley-Davidson today, and we're displaying our Kirsh CHM1 half-shell helmet, which replaces the foam in the helmet with our fluid technology. We're going to be giving demo rides on the helmet. Hopefully we're going to have some nice weather here, but this is 100% all-American made by veterans and Americans with disabilities. We're right up in upstate New York, and you can catch us here at Keystone Harley-Davidson today. So come check us out and take us for a ride.